Dun, 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 dun. Today we have a set of headlights for a 2005 Acura RSX. As you can see, I have one where the lens is already assembled and one where it is already open, or still open I should say. The reason for that is just because they're black, so I thought maybe it would make for a better video if I could show you a before and after, because this has all the reflection on it, you know. So what we've got here are the aftermarket housings. There's the satin black interior and already a projector in it. It's not the highest quality projector. If you're gonna go for performance lighting package for your RSX, I'd recommend using OEM styled housings and doing an actual projector retrofit. However, this is what the customer had, so no worries, I'll work with it. That's cool by me. Projector is better than no projector if you're gonna go HID. What I did to them is I installed 3 RGB profile Prism halos, which are these guys. Pretty obvious what those are. These actually come with 2 white CCFL halos. So these are way cooler because they're RGB, and they are all Bluetooth controlled via the Morimoto app. So I will turn that on. Boop. So I got 3 zones. Each one is individually controlled. Right now I just got 3 pretty sweet arbitrary colors picked. But as you can tell, I can click a zone and we can control that, put that on like a blue, and we'll take that one and be like, I'm feeling like an orangish right there. And then that one, I love green, but you know, maybe I want a little bit of purp in my life. So, you know, you can do whatever you want. Of course, you can click them all together, and voila. You also have the themes where we can do the color cycle. Which one is that? Oh, that's the one that I like. That's the 7-color fade. And what's real fun about these is that they're all switchback. So, turn on your turn signal, and you got one hell of a blinker, which is really nice, eye-catching. And then as soon as your blinker turns off, it resumes whatever action it was doing before. So, pretty sweet. Definitely like them. I am pleased. That's pretty much all I got to say about these, though, you know. If you want any custom headlight builds, holla at your boy. It's 13 with Superior Mobile, ByThirteen. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.